Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made my DIY photo cards that I am going to be handing out at the Pentagon concert, and how I put my YouTube channel on the back to help promote my channel. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually open Photoshop Express for iOS, and I'm going to... Well, nobody said this channel was family friendly. Anyway, I'm going to pick out a couple of pictures that I want to turn into photo cards. I'm going to do 4 at a time so that I can divide them into 4 separate photos on one print, if that makes sense. Now, I'm going to make mine all the same size. You don't have to do that. You can size them however you want. I'm also going to take the border away so that they're easy to cut them out. And then I'm going to save them to my camera roll. And once I do all of the ones that I want, I'm going to open Snapfish. This is not sponsored. I'm not cool enough for sponsors. This is what I used. I saw some people suggest it and it worked really well. So I chose the ones that I wanted and I printed them on 4x6 because that will make each one a normal size photo card. You can do them bigger if you want. And then I ordered them and it took about a week, I think, to get here. I did pay for the faster shipping because I wanted to make sure I had plenty of time to get them done before the concert. And I still think I only paid around $10 total for them, which is amazing. I got 120 prints, which is almost 500 photo cards. So yeah, I was very happy with them. The quality of the photos are amazing. I think I only had to throw out like 4 different photo cards because the quality of the picture I chose wasn't very good. But yeah, these are amazing and I will definitely be using Snapfish again. I totally recommend it. So because I'm still trying to grow my channel and I knew I was going to be handing out these photo cards at the concert, I thought it would be a cool idea to put my YouTube channel on the back. And instead of trying to somehow print it onto the back or write it onto the back, I decided to make some labels. So I went to Office Depot and I got some cheap labels from there, just their brand, and I went on their website and got the template to print them onto Microsoft Word. And then I went into Photoshop, and please ignore my face. I am so sorry. I did not realize that my computer screen was so reflecty when I was recording this. I'm not wearing makeup. I'm making some horrible faces. So yeah, just pretend like you didn't see that. Anyways, I went into Photoshop and I started to create a label that I thought would look good on the back of a little photo card. So I started by trying to use the header that I have on my YouTube channel, just because I think it's pretty, but I don't think the colors worked as well on a small scale. It just seemed a little bit muddied and I wanted everything to be easy to read. I wanted to put on my Instagram and my YouTube, and so I wanted to make it smaller, and then it just really wasn't working. So I decided to just go with plain black. I still use the same font to put Strawberry at the top, but I used other very legible fonts for the actual URL and things like that so that people can actually genuinely look up my channel if they want to. So when I finally had a design that I was happy with, I saved it and I inserted it into the Microsoft Word template, and I just copied and pasted it into every little spot for the labels. And then I saved it just in case I want to do it again, and I printed them off. Now, I actually printed them off onto a regular piece of paper first, just to make sure that everything was lined up, and I checked it with the label paper, and then I printed it onto the label paper. And as you can see, they turned out really great. I am really happy with them, and yeah. So then I got out my Fiskars paper cutter and I sliced apart all of the photo cards. And when I was done cutting them out, I stuck my labels on the back. And that is how I made my DIY photo cards. I love how they turned out. I am super excited to hand them out at the concert. People were doing this at BTS and I thought it was so fun and such a cool idea. And before I even had a YouTube channel, I had decided that I wanted to do this at the next concert that I went to. So I printed around 400 Pentagon cards, and then of course I had to print off some BTS ones. I couldn't go without, and I'm just gonna start stocking up on those, I think, for the next time BTS goes on tour. So yeah, these were super fun to make. I am already itching to make some more just for fun. So if you liked this video and you decide to make your own photo cards, please let me know and like and subscribe. I appreciate all of the support. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.